In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the campaign and promotion template in ClickUp. This walkthrough will help you quickly spin up a clear structure for your marketing efforts, so everything from tasks to timelines lands in the right place. We'll keep it simple and focused, and by the end you'll have a ready-to-use campaign list you can tailor to your needs. First, open your ClickUp account and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Navigate to the specific list where you want the template to live. This matters because the template will create its tasks inside whichever list you have selected. When you're in the right spot, look for the three dots menu next to the list's name. Click that menu to open the options for this list. From the menu, click Templates. This opens ClickUp's Template Center. You'll see a search bar and categories to help you find what you need. In the search field, type Promotion. You're looking for the promotion template that's designed for campaign planning and execution. It typically includes task structures, statuses, and fields that suit a marketing push. Select the promotion template from the results to open its details. Take a brief moment to skim the description so you know what's included. When you're ready, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Choose something clear and consistent, like the campaign title and date, so teammates can recognize it later at a glance. Clear naming helps with reporting and stays readable when you're running multiple promotions. After you name it, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will add the template to the list you selected. Depending on your setup, this may take a few seconds while tasks, statuses, and any included views are created. Once the template is added, take a moment to explore. Open a few tasks to see the built-in sections and fields such as descriptions, assignees, start and due dates, and any custom fields included with the template. Review the statuses to understand the flow and check the views that may come with it, like list, board, or calendar. This quick orientation will help you adopt the template smoothly without changing your current process. From here, you can begin using the template as intended, assign owners, set deadlines, and adjust details to fit your campaign. Keep the naming consistent, fill in only what you need right now, and refine as you go. That's all it takes to set up and start working with the campaign and promotion template in ClickUp.